So in this video, I am doing another one of my rooting videos. I do have a service where I root wigs, and you can go on my website, tmwigs.com, or email me at tia@tiamariowigs to inquire about the rooting service. I try to film them when I do them so that I can give you guys information, you can see what I do, and if you want to have the service, you'll see what is being done. So in this particular video, I am rooting Orchid from Aesthetica in the color Lilac Haze. And so that is like a purpley gray type of wig. And she wanted like a natural root, like a natural color, so that you can wear some of these different fashion colors and they're maybe a little bit more accessible for some people. So I usually use different types of rooting sprays, but I just got the Blend and Build Root Spray from Jean Renault, and I'm really loving these. And the other thing I'm really loving is this applicator brush. It is so cute. You can get this on my website. This made it very easy to complete the job. And so yeah, so we're gonna get into it. A couple things I just wanna let people know. I use a combination of things: root sprays, roots, powders, brushes, different things. It is going to leave a residue on the wig, and it doesn't usually lift off too bad. But just keep that in mind when you're using any type of powder, root spray on these are synthetic wigs. It can leave a little bit of a residue. Now, I have rooted wigs where I have then washed them, and yes, some of the color comes out, but most of it does not in the techniques that I use. So just wanted to keep that in mind, just so you know, and know that it could potentially come out a little bit. There's different types of roots. I also wanted to say that. So there's like a short root where it's just like to here. Then you have like a longer root, obviously going to come down to the style. And then I have a multi-dimensional rooting, which is what I've done on this one and the next video that you're going to see, where I use multiple different colors, root spray and powder, and that just makes it look as realistic as possible. So if you're interested in seeing how I do things, then let's get to it. Hi doll, so I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't. It really helps to get the videos out, to get the message out, and to build and grow our community, which I absolutely love. So I would really appreciate that. You can find me other places. Visit my website, tmwigs.com, for blog posts, great deals, live sale information, and so much more. Thank you so much. Bye.